こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Muu-Muu is going to make Shio Ramen. Shio means salt in Japanese. This ramen offers a clear, delicate broth seasoned with salt. Its charm lies in the subtle, flavorful balance, using minimal seasoning, allowing the natural essence of the ingredient to shine. Muu-Muu uses kombu to create the umami-rich broth for this Shio Ramen. Kombu stock is a key player in Japanese cuisine, imparting a plant-powered punch of flavor with its natural umami goodness. Shio Ramen is ideal for those seeking a lighter, more refined ramen experience. Okay, let's get started. To begin with, prepare the kombu dashi stock. Place 400 ml of water in a pan. Add about a 3-inch or 8 cm piece of dried dashi kombu and let it soak for about 30 minutes. Heat it gently and slowly over medium-low heat. Remove the kombu from the pan just before it starts to boil. Transfer the kombu stock to a bowl and set aside. Before making the ramen broth, let's prepare the toppings. The choice of ramen toppings is a personal preference, so select a few toppings that you like. Muu-Muu chose pak choi, shiitake mushroom, and spring onion. She thinks these simple toppings complement the delicate Shio Ramen flavor. Cut the pak choi in half or quarters and cook it in salted boiling water for about 2 minutes. Drain and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Slice the shiitake mushrooms and lightly stir-fry them in a frying pan, simply seasoning them with salt and white pepper. Finely slice the spring onion. For Shio Ramen, I think it's best to season the toppings very simply, as they should not interfere with the delicate flavor of the broth. Next, the ramen broth and noodles. Mince 1 clove of garlic. Place 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan. Add the minced garlic. Turn the heat to medium-low and stir-fry until fragrant. Add the kombu stock. 2 tablespoons of sake. Half a tablespoon of mirin. Turn the heat to medium and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiled, turn the heat to low. Simmer for about 2 minutes to allow the alcohol from sake and mirin to evaporate. Add half a cube of vegetable stock. If you use a small cube like oxo, use 1 cube and dissolve. Add half a teaspoon of soy sauce, a pinch of white pepper, and adjust the taste by adding a quarter to half a teaspoon of sea salt. In a simple Shio Ramen where the salt flavor is key, using your favorite sea salt is a good idea. Cook 1 portion of ramen noodles according to the package instructions and drain well. If needed, reheat the ramen soup and pour it into a ramen bowl. Add the cooked ramen noodles. Arrange the toppings on top and drizzle half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Serve immediately. できた Muu-Muu, how does it taste? Okay, Muu-Muu said, it's a light, flavorful bowl that lets the ingredients speak for themselves. Kombu stock brings depth and a complex flavor to the broth, enhancing the overall taste profile. This elegant ramen leaves you feeling satisfied and refreshed. Thank you for watching Furi Kitchen. ありがとう If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね